Leadership is all about setting up examples, and TTF Calcutta was actually the only show in India, or perhaps across the globe, which has never stopped. Last year we had a TTF in Calcutta, and this year also we are having the second TTF after the pandemic. So very encouraging and inspiring, of course, because TTF always given an opportunity for the industry stakeholders for offer them a platform to revive it, because for revival it is very important to exchange views and thoughts, understand the changes, and that helps a lot for the industry.
TTF is playing a very vital role in revival of tourism sector in Pan India, not only Pan India but starting from Eastern India. It will really help us to source the markets which are available for the travelers within India to travel, and definitely what better platform than TTF for us.
I think is doing the wonderful work in Calcutta as far as TTF in travel and tourism is concerned, is one of the biggest show, and we always tell him ki bring the glory back to Calcutta. We want something what he is doing from in Bombay is one of the biggest show is actually as far as India is concerned is in Mumbai, but since he belongs to Calcutta, we request him to bring Mumbai stuff to everybody to Calcutta, and let's do one of the biggest show in Calcutta.
So to be honest, I think I'm really grateful for TTF to take this initiative and start with TTF Kolkata, because specifically speaking from the MICE perspective, events and these kind of conferences is something which we survive on. And with TTF taking the initiative, it just shows to the world that yes, organizing MICE events is again possible, keeping all the safety, health norms in place, and still having a successful event for industry participants to come together. So TTF, I think, is leading the way for the MICE industry to showcase to all our corporate customers also that events are back, MICE is back, and travel is back.